Are you tired of mealtimes looking like a modern art masterpiece, painted in pureed peas and sweet potatoes all over your baby, your floor, and your sanity? Finding the perfect high chair can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But what if the right one could make cleanup a breeze and keep your little one safe and comfortable? We'll count them down from number 7 to my top pick at number 1, looking at everything from safety and comfort to how they handle the messiest of meals. 7. Baby Trend Sit Right 2.0 3-in-1 High Chair, HC02E53A. This is a chair that many parents will gravitate towards because it's accessible, comes from a well-known brand, and promises versatility without a hefty price tag. When I first got it out of the box, the assembly was straightforward, which is always a plus for busy parents. It has a very modern, streamlined look, and Baby Trend claims this design has fewer nooks and crannies for crumbs to hide in, which is a bold claim in the world of baby-led weaning. The core feature here is its 3-in-1 functionality. It starts as a reclining high chair, suitable for younger infants who might not be sitting up perfectly on their own yet, which is a thoughtful touch. From there, it transitions into a standard upright high chair for traditional feeding. And finally, the tray can be removed and the height lowered to create a toddler chair that can be brought right up to the table. This adaptability is great on paper, as it suggests the chair can grow with your child for the first couple of years. The 6 different height adjustments also provide good flexibility to match the chair to various table heights. In practice, the adjustments are manageable. The tray can be operated with one hand, which is essential when you're holding a baby in the other, and it has 3 positions to get a snug fit against your little one's belly to minimize the food drop zone. 6. TotTent Baby High Chair. This chair immediately catches your eye with its minimalist Scandinavian-inspired design. It features light-colored wooden legs and a simple, molded plastic seat, making it look more like a piece of modern furniture than a bulky piece of baby gear. Aesthetically, it's a huge step up from many of the more traditional, cumbersome high chairs on the market. It promises to be a versatile solution, converting from a high chair to a toddler booster and even a learning tower for kitchen activities. During testing, the first thing I appreciated was the feel of the materials. The wooden legs felt solid, and the plastic seat was smooth and seemed incredibly easy to clean. There are no fabric components to worry about, so after a messy meal, a quick wipe with a damp cloth is all it takes to get it looking pristine again. The tray is also removable, making it easy to carry over to the sink for a proper rinse. For parents who dread post-meal cleanup, this is a major selling point. The 5-point harness is standard and provides good security for a wriggly baby. The convertibility is another key feature. The idea of a chair that can transform into a learning tower is particularly appealing, as it extends the product's lifespan significantly beyond the high chair years. As a learning tower, it allows your toddler to stand safely at counter height to help with cooking or other activities. This multi-use approach offers excellent value and is something I'm seeing more and more in modern baby gear design. Number 5. Ingenuity SmartClean Trio Elite 3-in-1 High Chair, 1161 DIN. The name itself sets a high expectation for cleanliness, and I was eager to see if it lived up to the hype. Right away, this chair presents itself as a practical, no-fuss solution for modern parents. The design is sleek and gender-neutral, with a gray color scheme that blends well into most home decors. It's built on a sturdy frame that feels reliable from the moment you set it up. The SmartClean aspect is where this chair truly shines and earns its spot on our list. The seat is made from a soft but completely non-porous EVA foam material. This was a game-changer during testing. Unlike fabric cushions that need to be laundered, this entire seat can be wiped clean in seconds, no matter the mess. From avocado smears to yogurt drips, nothing penetrated the surface. The tray is also brilliantly designed. It's BPA-free, dishwasher-safe, and features an easy one-hand removal mechanism. It feels like Ingenuity's designers talked to real parents about their biggest mealtime frustrations and tackled them head-on. The 3-in-1 versatility is another major strength. It functions as a full-size high chair, a chair-top booster seat, and a toddler chair. The genius part is that you can use the booster and toddler chair simultaneously to seat 2 children at once, which is an incredible bonus for growing families or when you have a little guest over. The transformation between modes is intuitive, and the straps needed to secure the booster to a dining chair are included and store away neatly. 4. Cub Adjustable High Chair, KBBHC003. From its sleek metal frame to the plush, faux leather seat, this chair is designed for the style-conscious parent who doesn't want to compromise on aesthetics. When I assembled it, I was immediately impressed by the quality of the materials. The frame feels exceptionally sturdy, and the seat pad has a premium, supple texture that looks far more expensive than it is. It's a chair that makes a statement and would fit seamlessly into a contemporary kitchen or dining area. The primary appeal, beyond its looks, is the focus on cleanability and comfort. The faux leather material of the seat is a dream to clean. Unlike fabric, it's completely waterproof, so spills and smudges can be wiped away effortlessly with a damp cloth, leaving no trace behind. This makes it just as practical as the plastic and foam chairs, but with a much more elevated look and feel. The tray is removable and easy to wash, and the entire design is smooth and streamlined, minimizing the places where food can get trapped. This chair is also designed to adapt as your child grows. The manufacturer notes it's suitable for children who can sit unaided up to about 3 years old. The adjustability features allow you to create a comfortable and ergonomic seating position for your little one. The safety standards are also top-notch, with Cub highlighting that the chair is free from harmful chemicals like BPA, phthalates, and lead, giving parents valuable peace of mind. Number 3. Ingenuity, Full-Course SmartClean 6-in-1 High Chair, 6690. This model takes everything I loved about the Trio Elite at number 5 and elevates it with even more versatility and thoughtful features. It's immediately clear that this chair is designed to be the one and only seating solution you'll need from the moment your baby starts solids until they are well into their toddler years and beyond. It's the ultimate long-term investment in mealtime convenience. The standout feature is, without a doubt, the 6-in-1 convertibility. It starts as a reclining first foods chair, converts to a traditional high chair, then can be used as a chair top booster, a toddler dining chair, and can even be split to seat 2 children at the same time. This level of adaptability is unmatched. The idea that you can accommodate both a baby in the booster seat and a toddler at their own little table simultaneously is pure genius for a growing family. It maximizes the value of a single purchase in a way few other chairs can. Of course, it wouldn't be an Ingenuity SmartClean chair without being incredibly easy to maintain. Just like its sibling, this model features the wipeable EVA foam seat pad that makes cleanup feel almost effortless. It also includes 2 dishwasher-safe trays, a main tray, and a smaller mini tray, so you can always have a clean one ready to go. Ingenuity went a step further with this model by making the harness straps fully removable and machine washable, tackling one of the peskiest cleaning challenges that high chairs present. 2 Maxi-Cosi MOA 8-in-1 High Chair, HC272HCOA. Maxi-Cosi is a brand synonymous with safety and premium design, and the MOA is a perfect example of their expertise. This chair is a master of transformation, offering an incredible 8 different configurations that will carry your child from their first spoonful of puree right through to their grade school years. It's not just a high chair, it's a complete, evolving seating system for your child. The design is sleek, modern, and remarkably lightweight. This was one of the first things I noticed. Despite its sturdy build, it's easy to move from room to room as your needs change. The aesthetics are on point, with clean lines and sophisticated color options like classic oat that will complement your home decor rather than clash with it. But the real magic lies in its 8-in-1 functionality. It can be an infant high chair, a toddler high chair, a high or low booster seat, and my favorite feature, it converts into a perfectly sized toddler stool and table. This standalone table and chair set is perfect for crafts, snacks, and playtime, giving the product a lifelong after mealtime messes are a thing of the past. Comfort and cleaning are also expertly handled. The chair features a reversible, water-repellent, and machine-washable inlay, so you can easily switch it out for cleaning or just for a fresh look. The tray is dishwasher-safe for hassle-free sanitation. One of the most critical ergonomic features is the 2-level adjustable footrest. 1. Momcozy DinerPal Wooden High Chair. This chair is, in a word, exceptional. It combines timeless design, unparalleled long-term usability, and a deep commitment to ergonomics and safety in a way that no other chair I tested did. It's crafted from beautiful FSC-certified beechwood, giving it the look and feel of high-end furniture rather than a temporary piece of baby equipment. This is a forever chair that is designed to earn its place at your family table for a lifetime. The standout feature that immediately won me over is the effortless, tool-free adjustment system. The seat and footrest can be moved up or down into multiple positions by simply pressing a button and sliding them into place. This is crucial for achieving the perfect ergonomic 90-90-90 sitting posture, 90 degrees at the hips, knees, and ankles, which is vital for safe swallowing and comfortable eating. As my son is on the taller side, finding a chair that could perfectly adapt to his proportions was a top priority, and the DinerPal delivered flawlessly. The versatility of this chair is astounding. It transitions seamlessly from a secure baby high chair with a harness and tray to a toddler chair that can be pulled right up to the dining table and eventually to a full-size adult chair that can support up to 308 pounds. It can also be converted into a learning tower, making it a true 5-in-1 solution. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.